Tesla has long boasted about how safe its crash technology is, and now the proof is in. Model 3 received the highest safety assist score of any car in 2019, and a 5-star overall rating from Euro NCAP. Keep watching this video if you want to know more about the Model 3 crash test. Hello, and welcome back to another top video from your favorite tech channel, Disruptive Age. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily information and updates on happenings in the tech world. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the following video. Let's get right into it. The Model 3 is an electric fastback midsize 4-door sedan developed by Tesla. The Model 3 Standard Range Plus version delivers an EPA-rated all-electric range of 262 miles, and the long-range version delivers 353 miles. According to Tesla, the Model 3 carries full self-driving hardware, with periodic software updates adding functionality. Despite the fact that the crash appears to be bad, you'd actually be safer than you think, thanks to a key missing component of an engine. The inside of Model 3 is unlike any other car. You can use your smartphone as a key and access all driver controls in the central 15-inch touchscreen. It is one of the many technologies that makes Tesla's Model 3 car exceptionally safe in crashes. Safety is the most important part of the overall Model 3 design. The metal structure is a combination of aluminum and steel for maximum strength in every area. In a roof crush test, Model 3 resisted 4 times its own mass, even with an all-glass roof. That's the same weight as 2 full-grown African elephants. In this car, this test is known as a frontal offset test. Tesla's much-anticipated Model 3 is an all-electric plug-in, which means it does not have an engine in the front compartment like a traditional combustion automobile. Instead, the empty steel and aluminum at the front of the automobile crumple, deflecting the impact away from the passengers. In reality, in this test conducted by safety experts Euro NCAP, the dummies representing the driver and passenger were green across the body, indicating that they were fully protected. The Model 3's large crumple zone is not the only feature that makes it safe. It also received top overall marks in multiple tests. Tests on roof strength, head restraints, and seats, as well as tests on autonomous driving aid technologies. With the help of safety groups IIHS and Euro NCAP who completed the crash tests, we will lay down some of the features that made the Model 3 among the safest cars ever produced. First, let us discuss passive safety. The mechanisms that keep you safe in a crash are known as passive safety. As a result, it concentrates mostly on airbags, seats, and the vehicle's construction. The roof crush test demonstrates how strong the car's construction is. The roof strength of a car refers to its ability to protect occupants in the event of a rollover. The car's roof withstood more than 20,000 pounds of force during the test, which is equivalent to 5 Model trees being placed on top of the car's roof at the same time. The roof outperformed any other totally electric vehicle IHS has ever evaluated in terms of strength-to-weight ratio. The roof received a G, which is the highest rating given by the IIHS. The model's all-electric motor contributes to its rollover rating, the focus of which is a massive heavy battery on the car's floor. Limited production of the Model 3 began in mid-2017, with the first production vehicle rolling off the assembly line on July 7, 2017. The official launch and delivery of the first 30 cars took place on July 28. The Model 3's large battery in the floor system is comparable to the Model X SUV shown below. A car that is noticeably taller and has a naturally higher center of gravity. You can see how the battery on the floor helps the automobile return to its upright position by lowering the total center of gravity. We have seen how the front of the Model 3 crumbled, sparing the cab the brunt of the impact, but airbags, seat geometry, and restraints all play a role in a higher occupant protection score. A thick curtain airbag and a distinctively designed front passenger airbag help protect a passenger's head from the car's pillar and center screen in the Model 3. You can see where the grease-smeared dummy's head made contact with the airbag. The Model 3 comes with a number of driver assistance features, including an autonomous emergency braking system that detects obstructions and comes to a complete stop on its own. The IIHS put the Model 3 through its paces by driving it at 12 and 25 miles per hour towards a stationary obstacle. For automatically stopping at the barrier, the car received a superior rating in front collision prevention. Autopilot's advanced safety and convenience features are designed to assist with the most burdensome parts of driving. The driver assist system has one of the best feature sets in the industry, with smooth operation and impressive capabilities. The Model 3 stood out in both passive safety tests conducted by Euro NCAPs. In the safety assist area, the Model 3 received a whopping 94% for automatically stopping for pedestrians and cyclists, as well as addressing inattentive driving. Road and Track's Bob Sorokanic said the Model 3 proves that Tesla is thinking far beyond the edges of the Model S and X. Stepping out of the 3, you realize that, as far as the S and X pushed the envelope, they were always meant as intermediaries, stepping stones designed to draw people away from comfortable convention and into the future of the automobile. The Model 3 is Tesla at its most unabashed. In this emergency lane-keeping test, the Model 3 crosses over a white line that indicates the lane's end. When the car is approaching an oncoming vehicle, the technology instantly intervenes and pulls the car back into the lane. Anti-lock brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Whilst the stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. The Model 3 uses regenerative braking, which was tweaked and improved in October 2018 via a software update. In early 2019, Kelley Blue Book announced that the Tesla Model 3 was the winner of the Best Resale Value Award for all automobiles in the U.S. market with a projected 69.3% resale value after 36 months and 48.7% after 60 months. Model 3 comes with the option of dual-motor all-wheel drive, 20-inch upper turbine wheels and performance brakes and lowered suspension for total control in all weather conditions. And a carbon fiber spoiler improves stability at high speeds, all allowing Model 3 to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph* in as little as 3.1 seconds. While the Model 3 has received high marks from the IIHS and other safety organizations, it is just one of several vehicles that have received high rankings. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class and Lexus ES350 achieved top ratings in every area, while the Audi e-tron, another electric plug-in vehicle, received the highest safety award from the IIHS. The Hyundai Nexo SUV, a hydrogen car, achieved results comparable to the Model 3. Model 3 achieved a NHTSA 5-star safety rating in every category and subcategory with its energy-absorbent crash structure, rigid passenger compartment, incredible side impact protection, and one of the lowest rollover risks of any sedan on the road. The Model 3 was marketed as being more affordable to more people than previous models by Tesla. Since early 2020, the Model 3 is the best-selling electric car in world history and, in June 2021, became the first electric car to pass the 1 million global sales milestone. The Model 3 has been the world's top-selling plug-in electric car for 3 years running, from 2018 to 2020. It has also been the best-selling PEV in the United States for 3 consecutive years, 2018 to 2020, the top-selling PEV in Europe in 2019, and the best-selling PEV in China in 2020. So not only is the Model 3 safe, it is also the most affordable Tesla car and has won numerous awards. In the comments section below, please share your thoughts. Also, please remember to like and share this video, as well as to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and updates. Until the next time.